Hi, I'm going to show everybody on YouTube land how to cut a pineapple. This is based off of a video that I watched a couple years ago of a woman who has 13 million views on how to cut a pineapple. I made a video and it had 85 views as of today, which is December 25th, 2021. So I'm going to do a video how to cut a pineapple, and we're going to try to get to 13 million views. It might be 9 years from now, but we're going to do this. So it is Christmas. Go Detroit Red Wings. I got my Santa Red Wings cap and some Christmas wine from Nuremberg, Germany. Here we go. First of all, you cut the top and don't cut your fingers. And just throw that away. And then cut the bottom. Throw that in the sink. Then you cut it in half. Again, don't cut your fingers because that would be a mess. So now you got two halves. Cut this center section as a V and cut that hard rind out because nobody wants to eat that hard rind. Dylan, do you want to have the? You want to try that? No. Then cut this in half again. Now, cut a slit right in the center, and I'm gonna cut it like this. Make some little cubed pineapple chunks. Again, don't cut your fingers because I'm not going to be responsible for any injuries anybody sustains.
No liability insurance.
I have no liability insurance at all. So, do that, and you can throw that in the sink too. Cut this one in the center and do the same thing. If we had really high-tech video editing equipment, I could speed this up, but I don't have high-tech video equipment. Just a small town guy just trying to make a living making how to cut pineapple videos. All right. I can just see the views are ticking up now. 12 million. 13 million. Was the hard rind again? Here, Vicky, you can have that. They say it's good luck in dentist offices. People can break their teeth on them. Okay, cut, and don't cut your fingers. Ah! Just kidding. All right, there. This pineapple looks really nice. This is actually all we're serving for dinner tonight. Is pineapple. I have an audience. Somebody actually laughed at that. And slice and slice and slice. And we're almost done here. Cut that. And one more. And that is it. World record speed of cutting a pineapple. It looks delicious.
Any closing remarks?
Closing remarks. If you want to subscribe to my YouTube channel, right now I have 2 subscribers. But you know, if you have any other food dishes that you want me to prep and show, I'm actually trying out for the Food Network, and you know, we're going to see if we can get other fruits and vegetables. So my next one might be a kiwi because nobody knows how to cut that. I don't even know myself. I'll probably have to watch how to cut a kiwi video. So, anyway, everybody, Merry Christmas 2021 and 2022. We'll have more videos on cutting up fruits and vegetables.